If I told you you can solve a longest common prefix using just one sorting trick, most beginners compare every string manually. But today I will show you an optimized approach that interviewers love. Let's solve LeetCode question number 14, longest common prefix with animation and dry run and super easy explanation. So, what's our question here given? We are given an array of string. Having our task is to find the longest prefix common to all the string. Here given an example, str equal to flower, after this flow then flight. Here output is fly. Here longest prefix fl is repeat the all the words, means here flower having starting fl, after that flow having starting from fl, and flight here also starting from fl. Here fl is continuously and it's a longest prefix of this example one. After that here giving another example, uh, st strides equal to first dog, then race car, then car. Here having dog, after having race car, then car. But here no same words means later repeated in three the given words. So here output is empty. This is a common prefix among the input string. So here to solve this question, what our approach to solve this question? Now here comes the smart trick. Instead of comparing all string one by one, we store the array first. Before sorting, we visualize the sorting one. I see you in the visually how it's sorting. Then after sorting, the most different string becomes first string, then we take last string. Has a two-pointer approach. Yet the common prefix between these two will automatically answer all the strings. So now we start the visual representation of this question. I will see you the visual representation of this question. So here from the starting has here given an example, first flower, flow and flight. First we now the sorted one, we starting our one, means here flight go first, then having flow, then having flower. Now we sorted one. Here you see that it's a sorted form now. Now we after that in the code we write a metric comparison of the word, which word is common prefix of all the word. So here a matrix comparison. Here we check visual simulation. Here having fl has a compare with first and last, has a pointer we take. Here f and l has a common prefix. After that here I and o is not. So our given output is f and l. It's a visual representation of longest prefix visualization. After that, having we check here, we see that FL is common of flower. Here flow also FL is common. After that, here having fly also common FL. So it's our answer. Now we write the code of this question. Here we write the code of this question. First we check if having an empty string, then we write the given empty one. So we take a string, means we check if condition. If str as dot empty having, then we return the empty one, means empty string. So here we write empty string. After that we sorted the given string. So we sort strs dot begin, comma, then having we write strs dot and it a sorted form. After that we take two variables, first string first one, then we take from last word to last one. So we take a string first equal to it's starting from zeros indexes. We write str. Here we write from zero indexes. After that we take another string has a last one, so like last equal to it's having from last indexes means strs dot size minus 1 from the last indexes. After that we take another variable for int I equal to 0 from starting 0 index, and then we run a while loop to check if I less than equal to str.size, and if first index is and the last having the index is having the same, then we increment the I and we return first dot substring I comma 0. So we write while loop, then we check I less than first dot size, then then first I having equal to last I, then we increment the I means I plus plus, then we return, then we here the return the first substrings I comma 0 means it start from 0 to given I the increment I. So here we write first dot sub str start from 0 comma to I. So now we give an example test cases to run its work or not. Sorry, here's first spelling is wrong. It's a given example test cases are passed. Now we try run the code to explain to understand this question easily. So here having first I, we take an example for we take example this str flows. It's an example. First we starting from zero indexes. So here we write zero indexes. After that we check from first I means first I is starting from zero indexes. It's having a flower one means here f. After that here we check here for last indexes I means here to flight means having here also a f. After that it's match or not means it match, so it's yes is match, then it's having an action is f means I plus plus having. After that here here we increment I having a first indexes, then here have first index I equal to l, here last index I also having l. So here it's match. After we sorting then we check here, so it's match, then we increment I plus plus. After that here having indexes 2, here having o, and the last one having after means sorry here having I, because we sorted one then we check its written, and after that here having o means I and o is not match, so not match. So here the stop one and the final output, so here final output equal to fl. It's the answer of this question. Now we submit the code. Here total 126 cases out of 126 test cases are passed. So, the time complexity of this question is OF and log n because of sorting and comparison task only, and the space complexity of this question is OFM, so it prefix to the length means OF1. It's one important thing to trick to solve this question. Whenever you need minimum or maximum, closest string or common string, think about sorting first. If often simulates the entire problems. If this video help you understand longest common phrases commonly, like the video, subscribe for daily lead code problem solving, and comment the next problem you want to solve. And remember, smart thinking beats brute force. See you in the next video. Thanks.